Alaikum everyone. All are fine. Once again, we are making delicious recipe. Come and join me. It's an Oreo one. So yum. You love it. It's so easy. You can make it on your own. Believe me, so much fun. It is so much fun. Let's start it. Guess what we are making? Tell me. Oh, you don't know. I will tell you. It's Oreo Coconut Balls. Boom, 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 boom. It's Oreo Coconut Balls. Oreo biscuit, coconut, and butter, and chocolate syrup. First, we crush the Oreo biscuits. Like this. First, we crush the Oreo biscuits. My mommy and made crushed. Add chocolate syrup in it. I will. Look at this, so much. Wait. So. Two. It's going out. Oh, no. Be quiet. Now we mix it forever. We mix. Do. We mix. Do. Like this we mix. We spread like oil. Okay, now I'll taste it. So yummy. Now we will mix it. Mix. In the sky. In the mix. In the sky. Mix. In the sky. Mix. In the sky. Butter and the coconut. Like this. We add butter. Add butter. Add. I told you that's why. And mix it properly. Look at this. It is coming. I told you this why. Now we put big one on it. Big glitter. On.
You said make a ball of it?
Make a ball of it. I know let's make a ball. It's yummy balls. It's so delicious. I like that. We made it after. Wait a minute. Now we will. No. But. No. Now off we go. And make a ball of. I got for it. Oh no, what have I done? It is coming out. Oh no, why is it? I mean it. It is so easy. It is so easy. Look at this. I'll tell you. For wait. Everything for wait. And now we put roll on the coconut. Roll on the coconut. Okay? Now like so inside. Roll, 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 roll. Roll, 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 roll. And break once. Roll, 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 roll. Dance, dance. So beautiful. Look at it like a shadow, shadow, like a baby shadow, and the other ball to make a shadow. No, it's just a mommy. Okay. Goes this. Okay, now I put the snow like this. Now take the balls. Look. Let's put this. Okay. Let's sand it. Let's make a sand of it. I got to hold it in the plate like this. It does not freeze. Oh no, that freeze sand castle.
And do it properly.
Like a sand castle. Like this. Right. Now yummy balls are ready. Cut it and show to you. Look at this. Cutting. Now look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'll show you other one. I'll show you other. Be quiet or Hamid. Like this. Look at this. It is broken. Look. So pretty cool. And now I'll test it and show you how. Close it and show you. So yummy. We'll make it best for you tomorrow. I love you all. Goodbye.